In front of me is ONEPLUS Open, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on Device Unlock and tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock over here. Then select Face section, tap on Agree, enter your screen lock and finally click on Continue. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select Done. Now you can adjust all of those options, and when you finished, go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!